So willow blazes clear and strong, a crown of light where wills belong. It lights the road the brave endure, victory born of trials pure. Warmth in blood and breath and bone, life made radiant, fully grown, son of the kin through age and soil. So willow seals the fruit of